These slate blanks were so easy to use, and as a beginner, I was happy to see that the pictures I had printed turned out great. This is how you would receive these. They come individually wrapped in bubble wrap and didn't have any chips, cracks, or issues. They also come with the stand pieces to display these. These slate plaques are a heavy-duty quality. They have weight to them, a matte white finish, and the rough edge makes for a cool design. I printed a few different sized pictures, keeping in mind that the plaques are about 8 inches by 10 inches. I ended up adjusting each picture to go to the edge, a little before, or even past the edge. I also used heat transfer tape. Though masking tape also works fine, it may just leave a little sticky residue. But I'll show you how to get that residue off. I just used the tape to keep the picture from shifting while it's heated. I set my heat press to 390 degrees for 240 seconds and at a light to medium pressure. I was super worried that the plaques would crack under the pressure, but they didn't. They turned out perfect. Very vibrant, clear detailed, and they look great. The plaques are going to be really hot, but if you are able to remove the tape before the plaque completely cools, it will be less likely to leave a sticky residue. Though if it does, I just use Glue Gun to remove the sticky areas that are left from the tape. I also tried using a photo of my parents that I recently took. I love the way this picture of my parents is also on the rough edges. I wish I would have realized this with the first few pictures that I did. Knowing the way it looks with the picture reaching that edging, I would have made the other non-white background pictures extend to those edges as well. I'm so happy with how these turned out. I think they'd be a great option for gifts or even for yourself. I'm so glad the seller gifted these to me to tell you all about. They are easy to use, a great quality, and the pictures turned out perfect. I highly recommend these.